Meet the world's most popular superfood, salmon. It is famous for its color, its taste, and often its high price tag. But let me ask you a question. Is salmon really the nutritional miracle we are told it is? Or is it just great marketing? In this video, we are going deep. We will look at what happens to your heart, your brain, and even your skin when you eat salmon regularly. And stay tuned because later we will answer the biggest debate. Should you eat the skin or throw it away? Let's pop the hood. A standard 3.5-ounce serving of salmon gives you about 20 grams of high-quality protein. But the real star here is the fat, specifically omega-3 fatty acids known as EPA and DHA. Think of these as the oil for your biological engine. While you sleep, these fatty acids work to lower blood pressure and scrub away arterial plaque. But for your brain, they are even more critical. High levels of DHA are linked to improved memory and reduced risk of depression. It is literally brain fuel. Now, here's a mistake many people make: throwing away the skin. You might think it's unhealthy, but the truth is quite the opposite. The skin contains the highest concentration of those precious omega-3s we just talked about. Plus, it is packed with collagen, the protein that keeps your own skin looking young and elastic. So, unless it's burned to a crisp, do not throw it in the trash. Crispy salmon skin is a nutrient bomb. However, we have to talk about safety. We live in a world where our oceans are polluted, and heavy metals like mercury are a real concern. Large predatory fish like swordfish or tuna accumulate high levels of mercury. But where does salmon fit in? Good news, salmon is a relatively short-lived species, meaning it doesn't have time to accumulate dangerous levels of mercury. It's considered one of the safest fish to eat, even for pregnant women, according to the FDA. This brings us to the most critical choice you'll make at the supermarket. Farmed or wild? Most affordable salmon is farmed Atlantic. It's fattier, which means more calories, but it's often dyed to look pink. Wild-caught salmon, specifically sockeye, gets its deep red color naturally from eating krill and shrimp. It's leaner, has fewer calories, and contains a powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin. If your budget allows, go wild. If not, farmed is still better than no fish at all. Final tip: respect the nutrient profile. Deep frying salmon destroys the delicate omega-3s. Instead, bake it, steam it, or pan-sear it lightly to keep the fats intact. From brain health to glowing skin, salmon is nature's power package. How do you cook yours? Let me know in the comments below. We will continue to explore the science of food. Thanks for watching.